Hi everyone, in this video we're going to walk through how to add and manage your QuickLinks in the system. This feature will help you organize your frequently used documents and screens for faster access. In this example, we're going to be adding the Mental Health Service Plan to our QuickLinks. But before we do that, I want to show you the folder we're going to place it. We're going to be adding it to a test folder I created earlier. As you can see, there's currently nothing in that folder, so let's get started. Let's search for the document that we want to add. We're going to be adding the Mental Health Individual Service Plan. You'll notice blue ribbon icons next to each result. A solid blue ribbon means it's already in your QuickLinks. A blue outline ribbon means you can add it. Hover over the outlined ribbon and click Add to QuickLinks. A window will pop up showing the folder options. If you don't care where it goes, just scroll down and click Apply. If you want to organize it and choose a folder, like the client folder, billing folder, or even a subfolder within a folder, you can do that. In this example, we're going to be adding it to the test folder. So I'm going to select the location, scroll down, and click Apply. Please note that sometimes it won't show up immediately. To see it right away though, log out and log back in. Now that we're logged back in, let's check our QuickLinks. Navigate the test folder, and there it is. Our Mental Health Service Plan is now saved as a QuickLink. Now let's talk about how to manage and organize your QuickLinks. Click on your name on the top right corner and select Manage QuickLinks. Here you can create folders, move QuickLinks, rename, or even delete folders or QuickLinks if you'd like. Take note though, when you rename or delete a QuickLink, it only affects you, so others won't see a name change or a deletion of QuickLinks. So keep that in mind. To move a QuickLink, open the folder that you want to move it to, then drag that QuickLink to the desired location. Then click Apply to save these changes. You can also create folders. For example, if you frequently use assessments or service plans, you could create a folder just for them and add them to that specific folder just for quicker access. Here's a quick tip to save time. Instead of dragging items through multiple folders, find the QuickLink that you would like, delete it, click Apply, and close the window. Now search for that document and then click Add to QuickLinks and then put it in your desired location. This method is often faster and less frustrating. Once we've added the QuickLinks we wanted, let's log out, log back in. Now that we're back in, let's go to the test folder, and you'll notice that we have all of the QuickLinks that we've added, either through the drag and drop method or the quick add method. And that's it. Now you know how to add, manage, and organize your QuickLinks like a pro. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out. Thank you.